so I am recording. Nice. Well, right now it's high 50s. I've already gotten a little bit wet from the gas tank. Not the gas tank leaking on me, but it rained a little bit already. Not a lot, like a sprinkle. Literally a sprinkle, you know, like almost as if I had went by a lawn sprinkler, you know. So it's nothing I'm overly concerned about. I'm just kind of gonna enjoy my ride a little bit here. Got a half tank, no plans tonight, nowhere to go, just kind of riding. Wearing all my wretched moto gear, my gloves down to my hoodie, my no love for rap motherfuckers hoodie. I love it. Pictures up here of the gloves and the hoodie, just so y'all have a reference and a link to their store in the description, as always, whenever I talk about them, you know. I don't really have any direction with this video. I'm just out cruising and talking to myself as I normally do, you know. Hopefully my camera isn't gonna get fucked up if it rains a bit. I mean, I have a media mod on it, so it's covering the exposed parts, so that should work out. Hopefully, I'm hoping. Although I'm behind another slow ass car, so you know, it is what it is. There's a dog. It's a fat dog. Knowing my luck, they're still gonna slow down for the 45 up ahead, even though they're already going 45. Sorry, 50, but you know, it's whatever. I got the power to pass them, but oncoming traffic isn't quite agreeing with me passing them so far. Man, it's really weird riding the Harley in the middle of April. Like, last year I didn't get mine out until middle of May, early May. And this year I got it out end of March, and it was like in the 70s, almost in the 80s actually, the last couple of weeks, which has been cool. But now we're back into real spring, where it's kind of cold and muggy outside all the time, and cloudy and gross, you know. But bike's home, so I'm gonna fucking ride it. I'm not really overly afraid of a little bit of clouds and occasionally getting wet. So when my camera's on me, that I start worrying about getting a little bit wet, because I don't really feel like replacing a fucking camera. I'm not gonna make this light though. I highly doubt. I knew it. Definitely not making that light. Although it is sunny over there, so I have hope that I get so far and then it just gets nice out. But you never know. Do you guys ever feel weird talking to your camera at stoplights? Because like I feel weird about it sometimes. That's just me though. I wonder how many people I'm offending with this hoodie. I hope it's a decent amount. Ooh, they gave up. Understandable. And then they go immediately because timing. Ooh. Let's get it. Ooh, a Camaro on donk rims. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. I love it when I see donks out in the wild. They're so cool. I mean, granted, it's not like an 80s, so it's not a true donk. Ooh, an Interceptor. So it's not like really a true donk. It's just a ridiculous looking brand new Camaro, you know. Put my visor down a little bit because that windshield's kind of getting to me now. Ooh, a Mini Cooper with a fairly aggressive looking front end. Okay, so if you heard the ticking at any point in my videos, the little click, 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 click noise, that's these little things here freaking the fuck out on my helmet because wind's catching them and bouncing them off the side of my fucking face. Just so you know what that is. So you don't think that my bike's having an issue. Another SC, Jesse's got competition. Just so you know, that's not like the bike having issues or the audio having issues or your phone having a meltdown. It's just me with my choice of a tire having a malfunction. Not a major malfunction, but enough to like annoy the living shit out of me, and enough to probably annoy the living shit out of you guys too. Probably offending a few people with this hoodie, but it's not even that offensive, I don't think. I've seen worse. So like, I don't understand all this PC bullshit anyway, so I don't stand with that. I stand with, say what you want to fucking say. Be a man about it. Don't fucking pussy out and go PC on me. You want to call me a fucker? Call me a fucker. You want to call me a bitch? Call me a bitch. Don't be like, oh, I don't like the way you say that. It's like, okay, now you're being a punk ass bitch, you know? Granted, I was raised a bit differently than these fucking other 90s babies. I don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck. I love the way this bike pulls so much. So I don't think I'm gonna get any sunset pictures today. I'm gonna try to. That's my goal, is to get sunset pictures, but like sometimes it doesn't always work out. Probably gonna piss off a lot of horny couples, but hey, it is what it is. If you're gonna try and fuck in public, don't do it somewhere that's easily accessible. I'm not gonna creep on anybody, but like, if loud exhaust is a mood killer, either find a new place or find a new girl. I don't think I'm ever gonna have kids. I don't really have any reason to. I've got a lot of like hereditary diseases just kind of flowing in my blood, so I don't want to pass that on to anybody. Either that or I need to find a girl that's like got no issues whatsoever and the strongest immune system in the country, and even like we can cancel ourselves out and have a normal kid, you know, like a normal kid that doesn't have any issues at all. Although I highly doubt that, because all these normal bitches don't want me. It's the fucking weird ones. Except for a couple here and there, but they don't know what they're getting into. They really don't know what they're getting into. They're like, ooh, a biker, he's gonna be a good guy. No, I'm not really a good guy. I'm a fuckhead. They've got a Dunder Mifflin sticker. I expected more out of you. Oh, now they speed up. Now they speed up after I get over. Nice, guys. Nice. I feel like that's apartments right there, and that lady just, or dude, I don't even know what it was. The person in that car just cock blocked that entire line they parked behind. Oh man, road closed. Fuck. It was closed last year too. Oh, the detour makes it go all the way around. So why is that road closed but the other is not closed? So I don't think I'm going that way, because I can still see sand fucking everywhere. Do I see cars down there though? I'll risk it. Fuck it, I'll risk it for you guys. If I go down, y'all are buying me a new bike. Granted, it don't seem too bad. I think they cleared out most of the sand. Oh my god, the bumps are still here though from last year. Fuck. God damn, dude. God damn, dude. God damn, dude. Playing dodge the potholes. But I'm also not slowing down because I ain't no pussy. Woo! I missed my motocross bike. Holy shit, that would have been a blast on a sumo. Instead, here we are, fucking hating our lives on a Harley. Because that fucking road's closed. Ooh, that was a nice Chevy though. I will give that one that. Sometimes I feel like I'm really in the wrong spot, but then I look at the detour signs and remind myself, I'm good. Like, it just feels so wrong going this way, because this is normally the way I go that way, to skip everything, you know? Damn, they got a lot of RC shit. They're very, very trusting of people in Muskegon to leave that out. And that's going to be a badass thing that I want to go to, because it's going to be a stage. Oh, smell of weed again. Oh, it's so prevalent here in Muskegon that it's not even funny, dude. Duders. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting a sunset picture today. It looks so bad out there with all the fucking clouds and overcast, so. Oh damn, he's even got little guys in there. Nice. Or are we stuck behind a transit van that's taking the speed limit a little bit too seriously? The BMW 20, I don't like the look of those. I really do not like the look of those. I swear, I get farther just coasting on this bike half the time when I'm in traffic. The Jeep in front of me is obviously squealing on something. You can hear the little wee 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 as the tires rotate. It's just kind of a not fun sound to hear, but at least I know it's not me. Oh my god, where are we slowing down? Now if I fall, I'm fucking suing the Ford guy in front of me with the fucking van. Yes, let's slow down to a crawl. Oh my god, get over the line, you're fucking stupid. Skiing at its best. The guys in the luxury SUVs will dodge potholes. Well, the guy on a Harley half-assedly dodges potholes. Because I don't have the greatest of suspension, but at the same point, I plan to upgrade at some point, so I'm not too overly concerned. Oh, speed bump. Oh, it's flat right here. I said it once, and I'll say it again now. I regret this for other reasons, because now it's a fucking slow-ass motherfucking car in front of me. Instead of BAMF, it's SAMF. Instead of badass motherfucker, it's slow-ass motherfucker. Damn. Fucking SAMF nations, Fords do it best. Like, I know there's fast Fords out there, but 90% of the Fords that you see are fucking old dudes in F1 and F series, F100s, F250s, F350s, F150s, whatever the fuck 50s they have. And they're going like half a mile an hour. Like, look, he just pulled out in front of that car and now he's going like 10. So cool. Then you get Mr. Impatient. I hit the curb a little bit there. Alright, there was a car behind me. I'm sure they read the no love for rat motherfuckers at the upside down cross a couple of times in that period of time. Ooh, let me dodge the sand here so I can launch her. Woo! Haha, you heard that one.